This hair bow features a simple design with 3 layers, yet it has a stunning appearance. Try using this design and thank me later. You're welcome! Hello crafters, welcome to Anjurisa's crafting room. Today, I'm excited to share another hair bow tutorial. While I've been focused on making pouches recently, hair bows remain one of my favorite projects. If you would like to support my work, please visit my Etsy where I offer exclusive designs such as the dainty bow, which is very easy to make using a single piece of fabric, and the newest addition, the Cassie bow, featuring a beautiful tail for the bow. In this video, I will show you how to create a stunning 3-layered bow. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Let's begin by preparing the fabric. I'm using satin fabric for this project. You will need 3 pieces of fabric for the 3 layers of bows. The first piece measures 10.5 by 6 inches. Fold the fabric with the right sides together. The second piece measures 12.5 by 6 inches. Fold this fabric with the right sides together as well. And the last piece measures 14 by 6 inches. Fold this fabric with the right sides together. Sew a straight line along the edge of each piece of fabric. I don't have the thread cutter on my sewing machine. I don't have that feature, so I always have to cut the thread every single time. This will prepare the fabric for creating the layers of the bow. After sewing each piece, I'll press the seam open on each one. This will help create a nice flat fabric. Then we can turn the fabric inside out. Turn the fabric inside out. Once again, I'll press the whole fabric nice and flat. Next, we will mark the center. To do this, I'll take my ruler and fabric marker. I will fold each fabric piece in half, slide the ruler between the fabric layers, and then open the fabric to draw a straight line. I'll repeat this step on all 3 pieces. If you're enjoying these tutorials and would like to support my work, consider visiting my Etsy where you will find other exclusive patterns. Your visit and feedback mean a lot to me as I continue to grow my Etsy. Click the link in the description below to explore and discover more creative projects. Fold each fabric piece towards the center along the marked line. We will secure the fabric by sewing 2 straight lines in the middle to hold the fold in place. This will help form the layers of the bow. If your sewing machine has a zigzag pattern, you can use a zigzag stitch with 1 pass to secure all fabric layers together. Now arrange the 3 pieces of fabric with the longest piece at the bottom, the middle-sized piece in the middle, and the shortest piece at the top. Leave a gap of 3/4 inch at the top and 1.5 inch at the bottom between each layer. Use pins to secure all layers in place before sewing them all together. This arrangement will help create the layered bow effect. Now you can gather and pleat the fabric, securing it with sewing thread. Attach any desired accessories such as a hair clip or brooch pin. I prefer to use a hot glue gun for attaching accessories. If you would like to watch a brief explanation about how I attach this hair clip, you can watch the video that appears at the top right corner. To finish the bow, prepare a fabric strip measuring 2 by 6 inches. Fold the fabric towards the middle, then fold it in half and press it flat to hide the raw edges. Attach this fabric strip to the center of the bow and sew it in place. Trim any excess fabric. Then turn the centerpiece. And apply some glue in the middle to securely attach the bow. And that's it! Your own handmade beautiful bow is finished. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, consider giving a thumbs up and sharing this video. If you have any feedback or suggestions, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll do my best to address any questions you have in the comments. See you in my next video. Bye bye!